Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Rifki Chandra dari kelas 15 2C01, NIM saya 15251071. Hari ini saya akan mempresentasikan tentang review jurnal saya yang pertama, itu Implementation of Internet of Things atau yang biasa disebut IoT. Introduction and background. The Internet transformed human interaction, communication, and culture. IoT represents the next evolution, connecting everyday device, enabling practical application like remote light control. Research overview. Author publication Budi Artono and Rahmat Gusta Putra published this research in 2018, focusing on practical IoT implementation for home automation. Research objective demonstrates IoT as capability to control lightning device via internet using Arduino microcontrollers, between theory with practical application. Technical implementation. Main technical elements enabling IoT-based like control with Arduino microcontroller, core processing unit that control system operation and device interaction, LDR sensor like beacon resistor detect ambient light level for automatic operation, and 3. Wi-Fi module connects the system to the internet, enabling remote access and control. Web-based IoT use interface as via smartphone and remote play control. System architecture components. LDR sensor monitor ambient light level, enable automatic operation mode. Arduino microcontroller process sensor data and control like operation based on input. And 2. Wi-Fi module provides internet connectivity, enabling remote access to system. And 3. Relay module physically the switch the light on off based on Arduino commands. And 4. Web interface user accept point manuals, console, or smartphone. How it works. Like detection, RDR sensor conventionally monitor ambient light level and send data to the Arduino microcontroller for processing. And 2. Data processing. Arduino processor sensor data and device like operation based on the selected control model. And 2. Dual control modes. Automatic mode switch like based on lighting interface, remote control via interface from anywhere with internet. Key feature and benefits. The IoT system combines automatic operation with convenient remote access for optimal lighting control. Automatic light system automatically adjusts light based on ambient light condition detected by RDL sensor. And 2. Remote web control. Control lights remotely via web browser and smartphone from any location with internet. And 3. Real-time monitoring. Monitor device status and light condition in real time. Team tools IoT web platform. And 4. Efficiency reduce unnecessary energy optimize like you based on strength the system. Practical IoT home automation. Leverage proven IoT technologies to create the functional home automation system with real-world application. And 2. Dual control modes of both automatic operation based on ambient light and manual remote control via web and smartphone. And 3. A variable and flexible component built with widely available cost-efficient components include microcontrollers, and other sensors, limitations and challenges. And number one is internet dependency requires stable internet connection for remote control network. This crucial can interrupt device operation and limit accessibility. And two, security concern. Security and device concern need future attention. IoT device can be vulnerable to unauthorized access with proper safeguards. And three, setup and cost requirement. Intel cost hardware component inflation setup and technical configuration. Real-world application. The IoT based like control component is deserve practical application across residential, commercial, and security domains. Smart home lighting is automation. Automation is residential lighting with remote control via smartphone or web browser for convenience and comfort. And every solution reduces electricity costs by automatically adjusting lines based on ambient weather condition while occupancy building management system optimize the energy conservation in commercial buildings through the intelligent control monitoring. Security system integration connect lightning like control home with automated response and action. Research methodology, literature review and analysis, comprehensive review of existing IoT frameworks and Arduino-based control system establish theoretical foundation, and system design implementation, design an Android-based expert system for device control with sensor and microcontroller integration, testing, testing performance, and evaluation. System tests under various operation scenario with approving accuracy report performance evaluation. Impact relevance. Practical IoT application demonstrates how IoT technology improve daily life through smart home accessibility provides valuable reference for research and students exploring connect device control. Validate the system reliability accuracy testing confirmed 80%. System reliability validating practical implementation paved the way for future expansion with enhanced security broader in integration. Conclusion future direction key takeaways next steps IoT enable effective automatic and remote light control using Arduino microcontrollers. The system demonstrates practical accessibility, the energy efficient home automation that bridges theory with real-world application. Future work include improving security protocol, added offline capabilities, network disruption, and integrating with broader smart home ecosystem. This represents a meaningful step toward smarter connect home. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Rifki Chandra dari kelas 152C01, NIM saya 15251071. Hari ini saya akan review jurnal kedua saya itu tentang UI UX Analysis and Design in Interpretability Analyzer and Application. Research Overview. Reza Muhammad, Zulfikar, Adesu Teddy, and RSK Ramadan. Introduction to UI UX Research. UI UX is a combination of user interface, visual appearance, and user experience. UI focus on aesthetic and visual interaction, while UX ensures the product is easy and enjoyable to us. Research objective to improve the everything finish efficiency and user satisfaction of the reliability analyzer application for next reliability in educational context. What is design thinking mode? Design thinking is interactive, user-centered approach that emphasizes a deep understanding of user needs, redefining problems and creating innovative solutions through a creative and collaborative process. Empathize, understand needs, define, define the problem clearly. Ideas, generating creative design, prototype the test, create and test. Design thinking, empathize, understand user need, conducts user research, interview, and observation to understand the needs, frustration, and expectation, reliability, analyzer application, analyze data from the employees the stack to formula clear problem, the statement focus key user needs, idiot generation design ideas, brainstorming, creative solution for UI UX exploring various user-friendly, innovative interface design alternative, prototype, test, create, and evaluate, brainstorming, create, exploring various arts, interface design arts. User flow design. User flow maps the user journey to an application prototype. This mode helps identify pain points in navigation and improve the overall user experience. By visualizing each interaction, the team can understand how users move from one stack to the next reliability analyzer. Usability evaluation with SUS. The system usability scale SUS instance standardizes 10 questionnaire designed to measure system as of us. This method provides quantitative results reflecting user satisfaction and effectiveness with the design UI prototype. Proven is of us should score our average user satisfaction measurable objective feedback. Key findings and strengths. The research yields key findings demonstrates the effectiveness of the design thinking approach in creating user-centered UI/UX solution. The combination of user flow design and the system usability scale provide a comprehensive framework for design evaluation and development. Understanding user needs. User flow design helps to understand user needs and behavior depth through interaction mapping. User-centered solution. The design thinking method products UI/UX solutions that are truly centered on user needs. Systematic approach and systematic approach from problem identification to prototype result in a structured solution. Measurable feedback. The system usability scales provide measurable and quantifiable usability feedback. Weakness and limitation. Every research the study limitation have weakness to consider content of this UI/UX reliability analyzer study which cloud provide opportunities from improvement for future development. Research scope limitation use prototype no at full implementation yet, limited usability test sample size, proposed solution no UI/UX prototype. The new UI/UX design was capability designed to improve the user experience of reliability analysis app. This prototype applies design thinking principle focusing on ease of navigation and intuitive interface and improve accessibility for text readability analysis. This prototype serves as primary reference for future application development and ensuring user-centered implementation. Benefit application. The research made significant contribution to the development of best application in education by applying design thinking methods. The resulting UI/UX design can serve practical relevance for developers in creating applications that priority user needs. Priority user-friendly design, supported educational web application, particle is sample design thinking, improve text accessibility. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.